Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, May 6th. Also, Cassidy, thank you for pointing out to me yesterday's video. Instead of saying May 5th, I said April 5th. So sorry about that. I hope it didn't cause any confusion. Cassidy, again, thank you for being on the ball and catching that for me. Now, let's talk about what's happening here. We're seeing a little bit of confidence coming into the stock market, but it didn't last real long, so it's not a real good sign for continuation. Here in the S&P, we traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change there between the bearish and bullish, and again, just as a reference, is $1,000 a contract. Down here in the Dow, that magnitude change between the bullish and bearish levels there was $1,500 a contract, and over in the Russell, that magnitude change between the bullish and bearish was $1,250 a contract. The big deal here is going to be what Asia does overnight. Well, let's see what's happening in the dollar. We can see here in the Swissy, it fell out of bed. The magnitude change between the bearish level here and the bullish level in that market is $750 a contract. Over here in the Aussie dollar, it traded above its bullish level and then it backed off. So it rallied above it for a while and then it backed off. The magnitude change here in that market's $500 a contract. In the Canadian dollar, that magnitude change in that market's $500 a contract. I'm looking for inside days in these markets. I'm not looking for a strong movement up or down. And for the bond market, I was looking for lower lows. It gave us that lower low. It's right on target, except I don't like the way it pulled back. We have to be very cautious on the short side, and we want to see new lows when it comes to Wednesday's action. Copper's firming up on this optimism, but is it sustainable? Long term, I am bullish. Near term here, I'm looking for an inside type day. I just don't think buyers are really there. Nat gas is another market. What's going on here? I mean, it is that optimism, and it's reflected here. That's why you're seeing these higher prices. But I'm looking for an inside day when it comes to Wednesday's action. And when it comes to the grains, wheat is firming up a bit, but can wheat follow through? I have my doubts about that. I also want to point out to you, it traded below its bearish level, moved 4 cents in that direction, and then it failed. It traded right back up above it. So we are looking for unchanged to higher, but not a big move in that market. And that concludes today's Market Studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, stay well and take care.